Peter Andre broke down in tears in a new music video ahead of the birth of his fifth child and his third with wife Emily. Peter Andre has shown his emotional side after teaming up with Fabio D'Andrea in a new music video. The Australian singer acted as a father dealing with his son's suicide attempt in the heartbreaking video for Fabio's song, Another Way. The 50-year-old can be seen breaking down in tears as the music video aims to highlight the realities of teen bullying. Self-harm and mental health issues. Speaking to The Sun, Peter shared, "After watching Fabio's powerful work, I knew I wanted to be a part of it. Such an incredibly tough subject needs to be highlighted in a way that will hopefully help bring it to the forefront. For me, playing Jack was incredible, tapping into many emotions. As people may know, I've been very open about my own mental struggles in the past, which certainly made it all the more powerful." Millions of people worldwide are going through mental health struggles, and many find it incredibly difficult to reach out and talk about it. I am hopeful that this video will help those in need by showing them how important it is not to bottle things up and encouraging them to talk and get the support they need. The Mysterious Girl singer is married to Emily McDonough, who is currently pregnant with their third child, which is due later this year. They already share 2 children together. Millie and Theo. Emily has previously opened up about her concerns with cyberbullying. She told OK! Magazine, "It's a difficult one because Theo and Millie are young enough that I've not had to deal with it yet. But I am concerned it might get to the stage where bullying might occur if you don't have a phone. Even though there's the worry of cyberbullying. I am stuck between wanting to protect them but not excluding them." Peter is the father to 2 other children, Junior and Princess, who he shares with his ex-wife, Katie Price. The pair originally met on I Am a Celebrity, Get Me Out of Here, and married in 2005 before splitting in 2009. The singer has previously spoken out about his daughter Princess getting into her first romantic relationship. The 16-year-old was confirmed by her father to be dating her first official boyfriend last May. Since then, he's put the foot down when it comes to family holidays. Speaking to The Sun, he shared, "It's an interesting one. It would have to be a long-term relationship for me to pay for a partner of one of my kids to come on holiday with us. I have 2 young kids. I don't want them just seeing older siblings bringing people along."